Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to favorites on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add some items to your favorites on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on an item which you want to go ahead and add to your favorites. So let's take, for example, this water bottle here. So if we click on this water bottle and then we click on view full details, and then on the product listing, go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see an option that says add to favorites. So if we scroll down, you can see here it says add to list. So click on add to list, and then you can actually create different lists, but these lists technically add as your favorites. And so with it, we're just going to add it to future items to buy. And then in order to access it, if you click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner, then scroll down, then click on Lists and Favorites, you can see here that we have the future items to buy, and there's the item that we've just added. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items to favorites on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.